Now that we know how to enter the market with a buy trade using a simple trading strategy, it's time to explore a sell strategy. Of course, since we understand how the moving average works, it made good sense to use it once more. But please remember that the moving average, it's a trend following indicator, and in the absence of a trend or in the presence of a range, the moving average is not the best choice. Now, to build our sell strategy, first we need an entry. Of course, it goes without saying that the entry will be a sell entry, triggered in a downtrend. Why? Law of gravity, perhaps? Listen, a downtrend is more likely to continue to decline lower and lower than to reverse. Now, what if the market goes against us? Then we're going to lose money. That's why it's imperative to use a protective stop loss so we can protect our capital. Then we have to define our take profit strategy, our take profit levels. An easy way to go about it is 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. First things first, which time frame we're going to use? The answer is very simple, your preferred time frame. Next, how we are going to identify the trend? Using the 100 moving average. What is going to trigger the sell entry? Simply the 50 moving average. Now, let me show you how to identify the trend. And in this case, it's going to be an uptrend because we are going to enter the market at the reversal of the uptrend. So, prices should be above both moving averages. A small tip here, the two moving average lines will be in parallel, not crossing each other, and then prices will fall below the two moving averages, then correct to the 50 moving average line, and then when the price declines below the bottom, this will trigger our entry into the market. Very important, the stop loss, the protective stop loss, it's placed at the top. The last top, the most recent top. Take profit levels, two choices, 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, or a candlestick close above the 50 period moving average. I hope you liked it. Now you have a sell trading strategy.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to keep up with new videos.